Hi, and welcome to this video lesson tutorial focusing on grammar. Today's topic, present simple, negative. Let's have a look at how to make negative sentences in the present. As an example, I'm going to use the verb work. In order to make a negative sentence with the personal pronouns I, you, they, and we use the negative form do not and the infinitive form of the verb, which in this case it is work. For example, I do not work. You do not work. They do not work. And we do not work. Do not has a contraction in spoken English. The contraction is don't. For example, I don't work. You don't work. They don't work. We don't work. With the personal pronouns he, she, and it, we use the negative form does not and the infinitive form of the verb, in this case, work. For example, he does not work. She does not work. It does not work. In spoken English, does not has a contraction. The contraction is doesn't. For example, he doesn't work. She doesn't work. It doesn't work. Please remember, there is not s, es, or ies at the end of the verbs in the negative.